Got shaky footage? No problem. Apply warp stabilizer to your video, let it analyze, and there you go. If you want to make your videos shaky, apply wiggle position and have a look at it. CC light sweep. Apply light sweep to your layer, change the center, move it around here, set a keyframe, move a little forward, set a keyframe to the opposite side. You can change the settings and boom, there you get a light sweep. Exposure flash. Add an adjustment layer to your video, drag and drop exposure to your adjustment layer, go where the videos intersect, set a keyframe on exposure, change it to 5, move by 2 frames backwards, change it to 0, go to the middle one, move by 5 frames forward now, change it back to 0. Press U to view the keyframes, Ctrl C to copy them, go where the next videos intersect, Ctrl V to paste and move this to the middle, and there we get a flash effect. Liquify. Apply Liquify on your text layer, set a keyframe on distortion mesh, move a little forward, click on this icon, adjust the text like that, click and drag to make the Liquify effect longer. Play it back and you got some liquid text. CC lens. Add CC lens to your video, change the size to 150, and now when we play it back we got a really cool lens warp. Fine edges. Add fine edges to your video, click on invert, add glow, play with some settings here. You can also add hue and saturation, boost the saturation to make it even crazier. No RSMB, no problem. Apply pixel motion blur on your video, and there you get a high quality motion blur without any plugins. Shift channels. Add shift channels to your text layer, make 3 copies of it. With the blue layer selected, we can turn off all the other ones and keep the blue for blue. Same for green, we can turn off the green, turn off the blue, keep the green. And we do the same for red, we turn off the others. Change the blending modes of this to add, slightly move this while having the selection tool selected. We can slightly move the position, and there we have the glitch effect. I went ahead and added a wiggle on this so that we can make it pop a little more. CC ball action. Add CC ball action on your layer, change the ball size to 70, set a keyframe on scatter, change this to 80, move a little forward in your timeline, change it to 0, and you're good to go.